Wouldn't it be great to see life's problems ahead of you? Flat tires, bad hair days, but you can't gaze into a crystal ball to avoid everything. Glaucoma is the leading cause of preventable blindness and vision loss in the US and the second leading cause of blindness worldwide. Nearly half of those who suffer from glaucoma don't know they have it. It starts with peripheral vision, but as glaucoma progresses, your central vision that helps you read, write, and even drive will also start to fade. Once your vision is lost, it usually can't be restored. But early detection from Eagles Landing Health can help prevent glaucoma. We provide a detailed analysis from preventative screenings and a non-invasive imaging process that reveals any abnormalities that threaten your vision. Our technicians and physicians search for early warning signs and discover solutions that best fit your vision. Even though you can't look into a crystal ball to see the future, you can stay ahead of glaucoma by scheduling an appointment with the Imaging Center at Eagles Landing Health. Your road ahead should be crystal clear.